Hazrat Abu Sayyid Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The earth on the resurrection day will be like a bread whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will expand with His hand as you spread the bread on the meal's mat, and will do it for entertaining the inhabitants of paradise." A Jew came and said, "O Abul Qasim, may the compassionate bless you. Should not I tell you about the entertainment for the inhabitants of paradise on the resurrection day?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Why not?" He thereupon said, "The earth will be like a bread, as the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam told us." Then the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam cast glance on us, smiled, exposing even his molar teeth. He, the Jew, then said, "Should not I tell you about their gravy?" He added, "Their gravy will be balam and noon." The people said, "What is it?" He, the Jew, replied, "It is a bull and a fish, and 70,000 people will eat the excessive part of their livers." Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6520.